Exotech XRL. So this is everyday carry fishing kit. Let's see what it's about. So first of all, you got it here, fishing line. There's some kind of holder. I guess you can put it onto your fingers and fish with that. That's cool. Maybe like this. And then inside here we're gonna have the actual container to store all your fishing gear, like fishing bobber, hooks, everything you need, sinkers. Perfect. So let's see if it will fit right here. I might have to open it up, but I'm just gonna keep it inside this container, might as well. So obviously it can hold quite a few things. You just have to get some fishing bait, dig up some worms and things like that. So yeah, very unique, as you can see, fishing line and fishing hooks inside here, one of a kind. This right here, field repair kit, one of a kind, everyday carry, as you can see, or camping, whatever you want to call it. Let's open it. More like a bushcraft in a sense. So you have right here a little like a holder, you can put it on a keychain. You have duct tape, beautiful. Obviously you can easily refill it by putting more tape over here. And this right here is a string that is taped together. I guess you could use a little bit of duct tape to put it, to keep it from unrolling. Right now it's kind of like have that shrink wrap on it. So you open this and boom, the needle inside here. How genius is that? It's a big sewing needle for like big repairs. Looks like there's a little waterproof container in there, but it's mostly for the needle. Obviously you can get some duct tape over here in case you need to tape up a tarp so that way it's not leaking, or if you need to sew something up, you have a really nice needle over here with this string, and it's all refillable. Exotech is pretty cool brand for unique gadgets like that, everyday carry. Made in USA, beautiful. Fire Rod XL, also Exotech. A whole bunch of new products that I haven't seen. Boom. Wow, that is big. And what's so unique about this one, it also comes with the duct tape, and whenever you run out and you keep scraping it, look how easy it is to replace it. So you can just buy a replacement, take a different fire rod and put it in. It is really big. I doubt it you will ever have to replace it. I mean, unless you use it a lot. But these things will last you a lifetime. It's cool that it's replaceable. And right here is a duct tape. I think there's another piece right here. Ooh, yeah, fire starters. Also, duct tape is a good fire starter. You see there's a dry pouch over here, or container. That's one of a kind, next level fire starter over here. And then I have a couple of candles. This is hot burn large, meaning you will be able to cook over it because it's burns really hot. As you can see, hot burn boils 8 ounces of water in 18 minutes. Obviously it's not a gas stove, but that's pretty awesome wax candle. And then you got slow burn large candle, 30 hours, but this is more like for visibility. Time and heat, you see, is half. This one is full, but it doesn't last as much. That's so cool. Let's open it. Same thing, but I guess the wax density of the stuff they add on to it is a little bit different. Love the Exotech. Got it here, keychain quick release gadget. Let's see if I can open it. Frustrating packaging over here. So it's a keychain. Looks like it holds it really well together. So you just put it on the keychain if you need to take it off something and leave it in the wall, but disconnect it, connect it from the keys fast and easy. Kind of cool, and holds it in together really well. I don't think I would be losing the key because it's on this thing. Very interesting gadget right here, everyday carry. Since we're talking about fire starters, what do you guys think about this brand? They make the biggest fire starters. This is like a sawdust, and this is now the world's biggest fire starter. It used to be you have a handle right here. Look at that fire starter rod. I have tested it a couple of times. This thing is insane. Everyday carry or not so much. That's definitely gonna last your lifetime. Look, I'll just stand here and it will hit the floor with a nice spark. You see it? Because it's so big. And it's such a high quality that it's not even scraping off much. This thing is very powerful. Got right here titanium Canteen cooking set. Check it out, comes with a pretty cool pouch. All the pouches are empty. But what I'm really interested about is this right here. First of all, the titanium means it's light. And let's see what's so unique about this one. This is over $100 Canteen because it's titanium. So that's kind of cool. Military, vintage. But what I've seen before only has one like insert. This one has two, which is pretty unique. So definitely not insulated, but super lightweight. So you got right here water holder, and then you have cooking set right here. It tells you how many milliliters on the inside. Looks like 600 milliliters. Beautiful handles, and right here like a little pan to cook your eggs and whatnot. You see, you put it through like that and hold it this way. That's beautiful. So, and what's my favorite part about it, whenever you close it all, both of these things can be set on a fire. Amazing. Then you put this away, and obviously you need some kind of jug of water. Boom, you can obviously even boil that because it's metal. So 3 layer dishes that you can set on the fire without wearing it, making it melted. And also it's durable, titanium, and lightweight. Everything you need for camping. I see myself putting over here some kind of spokes and knives as well. Beautiful. So you have even one lid, obviously it'll fit well, and a wire, like a little hanging wire. Probably most expensive canteen I've ever seen. Next I got right here Mandarin by Soto. Soto is a really nice brand. Have done a lot of videos with that brand. It's self-explanatory. You see how it works in the pictures. So let's say you have a rope, just simple as this. Grab it and hook it up, and then it's going to hang onto your rope. That's simple. But then whenever you need to hang something, all you have to do is just open it and kind of close it on both sides, and it's going to hold it hanging. That's kind of unique. And obviously I'm using scissors in this situation. You can hang whatever. Very awesome idea. It's going to hold it really well, and to take it off, super easy. Boom and boom, done. Got right here propane torch for this kind of containers, so more like a camping one. First impression, yeah, it's a little bit smaller what I have put to the test, and it's a little bit different. You see the trigger is over here, adjustment is over here. So yeah, pretty easy to adjust it. Nice. So this is like for charcoal or whatever. Looks like there is already some kind of adapter over here. This is already comes with the adapter, which is nice for this bigger camping gas cans, or for the smaller ones all you have to do is just take this off. I think it gets a bit too tight, but I guess it's good. Had to use pliers to loosen it up. Let's see. I really like it that it goes into container like that. Wow, that's nice. It works with the mini one too. Okay, let's light it up. Wow. Small flame, huge flame. Look at that red color to it. That is nice. So whenever you shut it off, it's turned off completely. Beautiful. And there is a little striker. Okay, let's look at it in the dark how it burns. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I like that. Look at that different red color. So you can adjust it less. That's on maximum. pretty stable. Adjust it down. Pretty sensitive. So yeah, if you need to get the charcoal going, whatever, no problem. Start a fire. I like that little torch with this kind of canisters. Shuts off pretty instantly. And then unplug it. Beautiful. Really like that torch a lot.